Okay, welcome again today to another episode of our WordPress website development series. Now, let's go ahead and walk you through how to use some of these tools that we have here. So now we're going to do linking. Let me show you how to link this web page to another web page or to an entirely different web address on the internet. Okay, with this very method, you can actually link your action buttons like contact buttons and all of that to your WhatsApp number too. So let's link this from here to some web page like Google. Now to do this, I'm going to call this let's use heading first to tell us what we are doing. I would say linking from this, okay, from one web page to another. Now remember what we said, we're going to make this H6. Okay, then align it center. That's good. We can actually go ahead and make it bold. Okay, here it is bold, then align. So let me go and fetch my dummy text as usual. Let's use dummy text. Remember, I don't have any pre-made blog that I want to publish, so I make use of dummy text. Now let's get this dummy text, copy it, then come here. Oh yeah, come here, hit enter, then I'll paste my dummy text here. Now I need to link. You must have seen something like this. Click here to access, okay, let's say to go to Google. Okay, now this is it. Now to do this, all I have to do is just highlight this very text, then look for this very icon, link. Click on this link. Now all you have to do is just get Google link. Let's say Google link should be google.com. Yeah, that's it. Google.com is Google link. Let's fetch it. No, what is happening? Okay, let's say Google website. I just want to show you how to do this. Now look at it, google.com. Then now click, allow it to open. Okay, once it opens, yeah, just got it. Just simply come up here, copy the link. It just took me to some of this thing I have here, but that's not what I need. Just come here. No, come here, paste in the link. This is where I want it to take me, so I'll just simply take out these things. So the trick is just to know where you want this very text to take you to. I mean this very text. Once you know where it will take you to, just click on this link button, then paste in the link here. If you want someone to click on this and come to your Facebook, visit your Facebook account, get the link from your Facebook account, paste it in here. If you want someone to contact you on WhatsApp, just get your WhatsApp number. There is a way to do that of WhatsApp. Just https, then column, then /2, that's // then that's wa.me, then slash your phone number with your country code. Because we'll do that in a jiffy. Now let's just click here, and now we have this here already. So if I publish this and someone clicks on this link, it will take them straight to Google. So this is how to do this. So we'll check it out later. So let's continue. Now let's see what else we can do here. Let me view this. Let me view all here. Now we've done paragraph, heading, list. Now quote, verse, classic. Now just go through all of this. There are a whole lot that you can do here. Okay, let's see how to add button. Let's say I want to add button here to this. Okay, I can actually come here. Okay, hit enter, then say button. Then on this button I can say contact us. Okay, now where do you want this button to go to? Okay, you can do a whole lot of things here. When you click here, outline, you see, now fill. I love having it here, fill. Then where do you want this button to take us to? This is link again. That's where linking comes in again. Okay, now when you want to contact us, I want this button to take you to, let's say, facebook.com. But remember, you are actually going to put in the correct link. Okay. Okay, now this is set. Okay, what else do we have? Row, star, grid. All of these things we will come to see them live when we start building. Okay, there are a whole lot of things that we can do with these things. Okay, a whole lot. Start title, start logo, a whole lot. We have a whole lot here to do. Now, if you want to embed Twitter feed and all of that, YouTube link, we have a whole lot here. I cannot begin to explain all in this one video. We'll see them in practical when we start building our website. Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's say you want to add table. Okay, let's come here and add table. So what does this table do? Now just follow the on-screen instruction. Inside a table for sharing data, okay, column count. How many columns do you want to have? How many rows do you want to have? Let's say I want to have 3 columns and maybe 4 rows. This is it. Now table has been created. Now what do you want to have here? Let's say I want here to be name. I want here to be age. I want here to be what? Gender. That's all. Now when you put in a name, let's say Mark, let's say Greg, and let's say that. Now what are their ages? You say 23, you say 40. 23 here. We have 43 here. We have 54. Sorry. Now here we have this. Now what are the genders? This is male. This is male. This is female. Just like that. So we can actually do a whole lot. Now we can actually come up here. This our table doesn't have a name. Our table doesn't have what's it called? Doesn't have a subheading, so we can call it whatever we want. Although we will know how to add subheading by now. Table of students. Okay, let's just say students. Whatever you need to call them. So let's just call it table of students. Then I will have to align it center. Then make it bold, highlight and make it bold. That's it. If you want to make it capital letter, you can actually change it to capital letter. Okay, yourself. So there are a whole lot of things that you can actually do here. Okay, a whole lot. So here you can see all of the options. Here are all other options. Okay, so that's that for that. So let's go ahead. Maybe let's do one more. Let's do one more. Then if you want to add quotes here, this is quotes. This is quotes. Let's come here and add quotes here. Let's say Greg is a sweet boy. Now you can say Michael is the street gone. You see, hit enter, you keep adding. Okay, add more and more and more, or you can actually come here and add something else. So this is how to add quote. Okay, now let's take this out. Let's do something else. Maybe if you want to pull quote, you can use this to pull quote, give special visual to your quotes. So a whole lot. If you want to add code with this, you can add code. I don't have any code I need to add here. If I write the code, it will perform whatever task I want it to perform. But we're not doing that now. So we're going to stop here for now and go straight ahead to do some other things. Then when we start building websites, then you will see all of these things into play. I forgot to mention that after you've completed writing your blog or writing your blog posts, now there is something you need to do. I forgot to show you how to publish. You know, this series should teach us how to write our blog, how to do some other stuff, and then publish it. Now, after you've done all of this and you need to publish your blog, all you have to do is just come up here. You might actually see save, schedule, or publish here. If you're starting afresh, if you haven't done this for the first time, or if you haven't edited anything, you will see publish here. Just click on that publish. But in case you don't see publish and you just saw save, just know that you've published before, you've written, you just edited something, so you have to click on save. Okay, now this is on schedule, so I'll have to click on this schedule, come to this very place where I have this schedule time and date, click, then this publish. This is the schedule date. If I need to schedule this to publish at a later time, maybe tomorrow, next month, this is where you do all of that. You schedule your post. Maybe you select today is 29th. I can actually say publish tomorrow 30th, then choose the time here. Now just set up the time and all of that, then that's it. You save it. But now I want this to publish now. So this has been on schedule, so I have to click on now here. Now publish has just popped up here. So this is what you will see initially if you haven't edited anything. If it is a new blog post that you just wrote and you need to publish immediately, this is what you will see. But since I edited this and I scheduled it to publish for later, that was why I saw schedule. Now I have set it to publish now, and now I have published here. I will simply click on publish. Okay, now it is saving my edits. All right, I opened up this here before we just did what we did. I opened it up here. Now it has actually updated the edits that we did. So let's see what happens. Click on this. Okay, and this is what we have. You see what we did. Boom. Okay, and don't worry, we'll make these things beautiful later. This code, we can actually add a picture here of the person that made this code, then add the picture by the side, add the quote by the side, or add the picture and have the quotes within the picture. Okay, there are ways to do all of this. So this is just we're just doing the basic. This is just the building blocks that we're laying. We'll show you how to, this is just for you to gain the foundational knowledge of how to do all of this. After that, we'll dive in and do it all the proper way. All right. Yeah, here we're going to stop for today. Make sure to hit the subscription button and put on the bell notification bell icon so that whenever I post any other series of this WordPress website development, YouTube will notify you. You will get it straight to your notification box, and so that you'll be able to watch and follow up. All right, see you in the next class.